fancy some new clothes. Take myself a jacket. Let's grab ourselves a jacket. Ooh, I tell you what, there's a blooming velvet jacket in there, 70s style. We're in an old caravan. I just stopped for a wee, but when I stopped, I found a bit of an abandoned place. So I'm gonna go downtown and check it out. Give me velvet. Ooh, now what we got? Look at this. We got any good? Oh, exclusively tailored. London, England. A nice tailored. Oh, tell you what, I like the button. Is it single button? No, there's a button missing. Let's consult the stars. 70s. A nice one for Andy. A nice mouldy corduroy affair. One for Lanute. Some good suits here. Just look at that. Beautiful. Polyester, the Travaira. And then finally a dressing gown. £5 label. Reduced to £3 for your terraline. Now that is a material of the 70s. Terraline. Not quite my colour. Let's go and have a butcher's elsewhere. Is that the feds? I don't think so. Jim. Cops. Now then, what we got? Resin. Ooh. Look at that. Evidence of car work. Shit. What we got? Lucas 5 3/4 sealed, one for Gary. Table FM AM, a radio information sheet. No sign of the radio. Big day, who remembers them? Salted peanuts. Big day. A little evening tipple. More evidence of car work. Get our spark plug and then more gaskets. Wizard of Oz. Time to go. But not before we get the jewel in the crown. Oh, digital exhaust gas analyzer, Lockheed brake parts empty. Duck oil. Take the. Let's go shopping. One for hub nut. Let's check it out. Whoops. A Reliant. Something or other. Hub nut help me. No instruments. Oh fridge. Oh mattress. Another caravan, now the Viscount, owned by Mr. Paul Boyd himself. Whoa! A bit of 90s hi-fi. Your 3-disc changer, remember those. Let's go check it out in here. remnants of the past. Fridge compressor there. And then in we go for your hob. I don't fancy going through all this little lot. Cortina there, and let's go. We'll see in a bit.
House, because that sign looks...
It's a blooming Gunsons. Wow. I was going to get one of these on eBay. Wonder if it... Oh no, there's water coming out of it. Ooh. I don't know, it's not necessarily game over. It could be... So see, it's great for setting your carburettor up. You stick that in the exhaust pipe. That's them springs that are sort of designed to hold it in the end of the pipe. And then it basically measures... That's the condenser, whatever it's called. It measures the carbon dioxide. So you can set your carburettors up. Well, that didn't excite you? Yeah.
Very thrilling. I like the colour.
Right. I remember that guy on YouTube, what was it? He had two names, didn't he? Two first names, but one was his second name, but it was a first name. When I took that Granada radio, which I'm proud, I stole a radio, alright. Like that, I nicked it, I'm a thief, I'm a hypocrite, haha. And now I've stole something else because I'm a thief. Look, I've stole this to do me. Out of that place that's about to get bulldozed, so do me. Stole it.
You stole it. You're no better than they are.
Yeah, right.
Oh, he's doing a piddle.
Has to be done.
Hello!
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's cute. He's got a head.
They tend to be. It's an occupational hazard.
What, being a sneak? Cute enough to eat. I'm not eating them ever again.
No, I don't agree with lamb. The damn thing is, lamb does taste good, but it's just not worth it. Not worth the guilt trip.
No.
It's wrong though with farm things. Now and again, it's just intensive. That's what I don't like. That tree's gone, a goner.
Wow. Spooky dooky. It looks dead.
It's become an art form.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. I nearly lost the car.
Hello,
Then.
Sneaks.
That's a good job that boulder wasn't there
I
then.
know. Could have hit it.
Oh dear me.
Look.
Yeah.
Says you saw us when we was babies and now we're biggies. Hello. Oh, they're rams then because they've got them big horns.
Right.
We're going to go and watch the...
We'll go see the dam should there's that much rain, it's got to be overflowing. Where else would it go otherwise? There's too much water gone into that reservoir, so therefore Shap Reservoir must be overflowing.
Ford.
Sort of. No, it requires a flow of water at a right angle. Taunton Village Chocolate Factory. I don't believe it.
Might be there.
I don't believe it. Taunton Village Chocolate. Gotta go there. They might have chocolate sheep. Let's go downtown and check it out.
Chocolate sheep.
Look in the rear view mirror, make sure no one's behind us. There's a teddy bear in that window, but the place is shut. It's got... Ooh. It was on TripAdvisor, it can't be that long ago. There's some locals there, should we film them? I'll wave to them. The locals are... The locals are... It's for local people! Bubbles! Oh no, that's the wrong programme.
Bubbles, darling.
That's the wrong programme. Wow, look at this. Local for local people! No.
Very nice.
Nothing for folk like you round here.
Take it out.
We're auto wiping. Tops. Requests for POV driving granted. Pulls up there like a train. Just chops up these hills. Ooh. And a bit of a cheeky left turn. Not the cops, no. Whoa. Whoa. Heavy gravel, big time. I don't want any of that. crisscrossing the M6 again. Bit of brake fade. M6 and the West Coast main line. Wow, look at the viaduct.
That place was somewhere around here.
Photo opportunity. Yorkshire Dales.
Sheep.
Lovely.
No.